Am I counting?
4:44 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Pittsburgh, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour.
I turned off my one-way last night,
Per hour gusts.
so I couldn't go out.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cary, Apex, Holly Springs, Morrisville, Crofton's Boating Center, Crofton's Campground, Millville, Jordan Lake State Rec Area, and Seaford Boat Dock. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Chatham, and Wake.